Hello and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's Housing Market Update for September 2016. BC home sales surprised many observers as MLS residential sales increased 1.5% to 8,945 units across the province in August compared to the same month last year, despite a 26% decline in the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver Area's activity. However, on a seasonally adjusted basis, BC home sales have been trending lower since the first quarter. The supply of homes for sale appears to have reached a lower bound as overall demand continues to normalize and many new projects move toward completion. The apparent stark contrast between Vancouver and the rest of the province stems from an earlier move to record demand and a policy-driven bucket of cold water thrown onto the high end of the market. The normalization trend that began in last March was accelerated first by the new 3% property transfer tax tier beginning at $2 million, and then the introduction of a 15% tax on foreign buyers, which took full effect last month. The average home price for the province was impacted by a changing composition and location of home sales. Through simple arithmetic, fewer higher-priced detached home sales in Vancouver pulled down that detached average price statistic. In addition, fewer detached sales relative to all home sales in Vancouver caused the total average price statistic to decline in the region. And finally, fewer Vancouver home sales relative to total provincial sales put downward pressure on the provincial average price statistic. As a result, the average MLS residential price in the province declined 8.1% to just under $570,000, despite having a buoyant 28% sales to active listings ratio. Meanwhile, the MLS Home Price Composite Index, the price for a typical home, climbed 37% in Fraser Valley, 31% in Vancouver, 18% in Victoria, and 13% on Vancouver Island. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province. Well, that's it for this month's Housing Market Update. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.